Which mic is sounding better? This mic or that mic? I'll decide in the post. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheese.com, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Let's Dance by David Bowie. Or actually, now Rogers wrote the thing that I'll explain to you how to play on the ukulele. If you have not checked my cover of it, you can check it out right here. Although my cover has more instruments in it, and in this tutorial we will be focusing only on the ukulele and how you can make this sounding pretty cool with just one ukulele in your hand, okay? So let's check it out. Let's go. Alright, first thing I have to mention is that I'm doing this on a low G string ukulele. You can do that on a high G as well. It will sound a little bit better on a low G. The ukulele I'm using right now is equipped with a low G string, but if you have just high G, don't be discouraged. It will sound perfectly fine with high G as well. So with that being said, let's see how this goes. Alright, the song has two different parts. The main part, which starts with A sharp 7 suspended 4. Alright, what I'm doing is I'm barring here on the 3rd fret with the pointing finger, and then pinky on the A string 6th fret, middle finger on the E string 4th fret, and ring finger on the C string 5th fret. Alright, this is the first chord. Then for the second chord, we keep this shape basically. We just remove the pinky and we move the middle finger one string down like this, okay? Okay, this is the second chord. This is called A sharp minor 6. Then the third chord is F sharp 6, which again we keep the bar here, but with the pinky or with the ring finger, whichever is more comfortable for you. I find myself playing it with the pinky. I'm barring here on the 6th fret the C, E and A string, and with the pointing finger keeping here on the 3rd fret the G string. Alright. And the last chord of the main part is the A sharp minor. I'm playing A sharp minor like this, keeping the bar here on the 3rd fret, middle finger on the 4th fret of the A string, pinky on the 6th fret of the E string, and ring finger on the 5th fret of the C string. But after doing this cover last night, I realized that actually now Rogers is playing it 7, which means that just on the E string you're not playing the 6th fret, but the 4th fret. So this will sound better, although in my cover I'm doing it with a minor. Alright, so let's see the chord progression first. To the second chord, to the third chord, and the fourth chord. Alright, let's talk about the string pattern. In the original recording, we have a lot of delays, and pretty much what he's playing is just... That's all he's playing, but the delays are making it more interesting. So we can try to imitate that. And I would suggest, because probably you're not connected to anything and you cannot use delays, I would suggest using something like this. Alright, let's see what I'm doing a little bit slower. So I'm doing 2 down strums, and then I'm doing some muted strums, and then 2 quicker. Alright? Just the first part. Alright? And after that I'm doing down, up, and again muted, and down, down. Although in the original song you just don't have that, but if you're just with one ukulele you need to feel the space a little bit, because otherwise it will be just let's dance, put on your red shoes and dance the blues. It feels a little bit empty. Let's dance, put on your red shoes and dance the blues. I don't don't know, for me it sounds a little bit better if you feel it, especially if you just have one ukulele, alright? Alright, and you pretty much just repeat that until it's time to go to the bridge, for which we are holding G sharp, which is again barring on the 3rd fret, but the middle finger is here on the 4th fret of the E string, and the ring finger is on the 5th fret of the G string. Alright, so we're doing this for 2 bars. And if you say run, ow, and then we go to C sharp, which is barring on the 4th fret, but just the A and E string, middle finger on the 5th fret, the C string, and a ring finger on the 6th fret on the G string. And then to D sharp, which is the same but just sliding it 2 frets up. And C sharp and D sharp are splitting a bar. So here it is. If you say run, I'll run with you. The same. If you say hi, we'll hide. And the 3rd time changes a little bit. Because my love for you. And here we go to F minor, which is the same as G sharp. Just put the pinky on the C string, 5th fret. Okay? And then we go to C sharp, but like this. Grab like this, barring on the 1st fret, pinky on the 4th fret of the A string. And then we go to D sharp, which is also the intro, which I forgot to mention a little bit before, but now we are making it. So the intro is just like D sharp right here. And what I'm doing is I'm strumming like just down strums 8 times, trying to focus more on the G and C string only. Then on the next 8 times, I'm trying to hit also the E string. And then for the next 8, I'm moving to D sharp, the shape that I showed you with barring on the 6th fret, trying to avoid the A string. And the final touch is you put your pinky here for the last 8 strums. You put your pinky on the 9th fret to make it a 7. And this is also the intro. So let's see how it goes. Let's dance. Let's dance. All right, and then the next part, on which I'm doing just gentle dance strums, like this. And if you say run, I'll run with you. If you say hi, we'll hide. Because my love for you would drink my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. And pretty much this is it. That's it. That's my tutorial for Let's Dance. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye.